Hi, this is Shaquita with Sweet Rubies, and thank you for watching today. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make the wood panels for this cake. To begin, I will be using just regular white Wilton's fondant. I always make sure that I knead the fondant really good, and I wear gloves while I'm doing it because my hands tend to get a little warm and it can cause the fondant to be sticky. Once I have completed the kneading of it, I go ahead and roll it out. Because I am making the wood panels, I don't want it to be too thick, but I don't want it to be too thin either. As you can see, one of the tricks that I use is to use my forearms when rolling it out. It actually helps to spread it just a little bit better. Once I've gotten it to the desired thickness, I take my mat here, which I will link below. I place it on top of the fondant, and I just use my rolling pin to basically roll it and imprint the wood grain onto the fondant. Because my fondant is rolled a little bit wider than the mat, I just pick it up and move it over to the side, and you can see here that it is completely imprinted into the fondant. This is my first time doing this, and I was so excited. Beforehand, I had already measured my cake and knew that it was about 5.5 inches tall. So I'm using a ruler in which I am making my panels the same width of the ruler. So I'm just laying it here right beside the cut before, and you can see I am making each panel. I also did not put any hardener, any CMC or Talos powder in this, and I will tell you why a bit later. So I remove the excess from the side, and now I will mark. I'm doing it at 6.25 because I know I'll need to trim it on the cake, and I'm sure that all of these will not be even. So I just picked what I thought would be a good length and go from there. So I marked it and just went straight across. From there, I just placed them on a sheet of fondant. As you can see, it looks exactly like the wood imprint. So excited. Woohoo! I'm a total fondant dork. I don't work with it a lot to cover cake because I'm just a simple home baker and I'm still learning as I go. But I was very excited when doing this for a friend. So I placed them just on a tray that is lined with parchment paper. And for that one, I didn't get much of an imprint, so I just laid the mat back on it and pressed on it. And as you can see, the lines went right on it. So you can use your hands or you can use the rolling pin. Okay, so here on my tray, I ended up actually doing 2 trays because I am putting it on a 10-inch cake. You can actually feel the grooves in it. So I let it sit probably for about 30 minutes. Now I am going to take some brown food coloring. I place it just in a tiny balls that we have. Not small enough to use toothpick. I decided that it would be okay for me to just shake it out. So then I'll take some water, and I use just a little droplets, but you don't have to use that. But I use droplets in order to thin out the gel food coloring. With my painting brush, I mix it all up, and it's still a little thick, so I just want to add a little more water to it. Once it's thin, well, thin enough to paint, I go ahead and start painting the fondant. The fondant has not dried, and it is still wet, but I decided that I wanted to let it sit out overnight and let the paint dry as the fondant dries. So I did this to all the 24 wood panels that I actually end up doing. It looks so good. I will go ahead and tell you that I did not actually record me placing them on the cake. My camera died, but I will tell you that you can use this method for any type of wood cutting, for any cake or cupcake toppers or anything. So I basically just, once they dry the next day, I place them around my cake. They are all painted. So I take them around my cake. I added order. I will also put in the description below where I got this fake ice. And then I just added some crown liquor, which is my friend's favorite, and an edible crown sign in the front. And this is how I use the wood